I'm gonna do her cheeks, and ultimately what it's gonna do is 3 things. It's going to fill this area, lift up, and get rid of some of these so that I don't have to put in as much filler into these wrinkles. And it's also going to fill this area and get rid of these wrinkles. And I kind of like play and see what's the best placement as far as how much it moves things back. So the world is our oyster. Everything is moving, so it's good. You're gonna have great results. Do you trust me?
Of course.
Yes, so that's my Acuvane, or what we've been referring to as the red light, and their new generation, which I am getting sometime in the next few days, is the green light. So everybody now has to be retrained to say green light instead of red light, but it shows vessels down to a centimeter under the skin. And so so what happens is that just by moving my needle about 1 millimeter this way or that way, I can prevent it from getting into the vessel and really create a healing process that's a lot easier if you're not bruised.
So you put it where they intersect?
No, the intersection of the 2 lines that I drew are where the most projection should be on your cheek. And most people are a little bit flat, but what we do is we try and accentuate the, go ahead and take that off, accentuate your cheekbone or the zygoma, which like has a natural curve to it, or an OG curve, and that really helped this area. This little tool is a micro vibrator, and what it does is the vibrations reach the brain before the pain signals, and so it kind of fools the brain and you don't feel the injection as much. And
You have numbing cream in the shop?
Yes, in the product there is lidocaine in the product. Okay.
but I didn't numb her or anything.